Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you the updated method to change your name on Facebook. Whether it's for a fresh start or a personal update, here's how to do it in just a few steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Head over to facebook.com or open the app and log into your account as usual. Step 2. Click your profile icon or the three-line menu, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Next, go to Meta Account Settings, then choose Personal Details. Step 4. Tap on Profile, then select Name. Here, you'll be able to edit your first, middle, or last name. Step 5. Once you've made the changes, tap Review Change. Confirm how you want your name displayed, enter your password, and hit Save Changes. Bonus tip. Facebook only allows name changes once every 60 days, so make sure your new name is exactly how you want it before saving. And that's how to change your name on Facebook. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!